I don't know about you, but NFTs have been all over my internet recently, and I'm like, can anyone just make them?
That video got 400,000 likes, so I'm going to teach all of you guys how to do it in under 1 minute. And you don't even have to be a digital artist. You can upload a picture of your feet. And yes, those are my feet, by the way. First, you want to create a crypto wallet, so just download the Phantom Google Chrome extension. Deposit a little bit of money in there. You don't need more than $5 to upload an NFT collection. Then you want to head over to soulseed.io and create an account. Once you create an account, press create and then NFT. Now for the fun part, you just upload the picture that you want to sell here. Here, as you can see, I uploaded a picture of my feet. Now you just want to give a name to your NFT picture and then give it descriptions. Here you want to put the royalty fee, which is a percentage that you get after somebody resells your NFT. I prefer 5%. And then you just go here and press mint NFT. And now you just approve the transaction. It cost me less than 1 penny to upload that picture. And here you're done. You just uploaded your first NFT picture. Now all you're going to need to do is learn how to promote your NFT. Follow me for my video in a few days on how to grow your NFT project.